Hi, how are you today? I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about these. These are new for Maybelline. This is the GLAZE series. These are the oil balms. And these are very hyped. I see it on my TikTok all the time. I see it on YouTube all the time. And I bought two. I bought two shades because I was so curious about them. I bought 003, which is very red, which looks really pretty, and 007. The names are 007 is Berry Haze and 003 is Rose Bite. Both colors look yummy and amazing. I already tried this color, so I'm going to and I know it's pigmented, so I'm going to start with this shade because I assume it's less pigmented. I haven't tried it already. We're going to do that together. And this is the shade. Ooh, that looks really beautiful. Wow. Okay, first of all, they have a very mild, sweet scent to them. And a bit minty too. So sweet and minty. So far, checks the box. I love minty and I love when it has a very nice aroma to it, nothing too rosy or stuff like that. Usually high-end makeup has rose scents into them that I'm not really a fan of. So let's swatch it on the back of my hand first. Well, it looks relatively sheer. So this is 007. It is, they say it's an oil balm. Okay. First of all, it doesn't have a lot of pigment. There is pigment, but not as pigmented as the other one, the 003. Look at that. This is the swatch. This is on my lips. It's very comfortable. It's very pleasant on the lips. The mint is very subtle. Nothing to write home about. Okay, wow, this is a gorgeous shade. Wow. I really like this for every day. It's very comfortable on the lips. Very comfortable. They're not... I'm not doing POV. I'm doing this, but this is... Okay, I just saw so many videos about the POV gloss and it's stuck. So this is not. This is GLAZE by Maybelline. No gate involved here. It's not sticky. It's very comfortable. You do feel like you're wearing something on your lips, but maybe it's because I applied a lot. Maybe if I would have applied a smaller amount, I wouldn't feel that I have lipstick on. But again, it's not sticky, it's not tacky, it's very comfortable on the lips, and I'm very picky about it. I really like it. Of course, it's not going to last all day. The first time you're going to eat or drink, it's going to disappear. So be prepared, put it in your purse and reapply. Let's remove this one, even though I kind of don't want to because it's really pretty. But we have 003 to try. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to remove it. And let's see. I already tried it, but we need to try it again. Once is not enough. This is the shade 003. Very fuchsia. Let's see this. You can see that I already tried it. Can you see what happened to it? Here. Same scent, same minty sweet scent. I really enjoy the scent of it. Now I think that I need to open just a tiny bit. Maybe this will not happen again. So let's of course swatch it first on the back of my hand. And you can tell this is 003, definitely more pigmented. Now because it is a balm, an oil balm, that happens because maybe we should keep it in the fridge, but if I keep it in the fridge, how can I put it in my purse? Okay, this is again comfortable on the lips. Maybe my lips are already tacky from the wipe, but this one is a tiny bit more sticky than the 007. Tiny bit, not over the top, not something that, you know, it's mentionable because it's there. I can tiny feel it, but it's not going to prevent me from using it. I am going to use it. I am going to put it in my purse. I just need to decide which shade. Sometimes when I go out, I do prefer something more, especially if I'm taking pictures. If I am going out and I know that someone is going to take my picture, I do prefer something more visible. But if I am on my everyday, not planning to get my picture taken, so 007 is the right choice. This is pigmented. You can see it. Now if I can apply more, and it will be even more visible. It's a bit very small, tacky, but bearable. I applied a tiny bit more just to get more pigment. These are the swatches. I really like it. It's shiny because it's an oil, it's a balm, and it's going to moisturize my lips during the time that it's going to be there. Again, this is not kiss proof. Not kiss proof whatsoever. First time you're going to eat, drink or kiss, it will wipe out, just, you know, to prove a point. Even though I really want to keep this, but we can apply another coat just to show you that, you know, it's all over my hand. So it is not kiss proof, but still the shade is here. It's a bit tacky now. Now that I kissed someone, it's a bit tacky. But very tiny bit tacky. I would give it maybe 4 from 10, you know, in tackiness. This one, the 007, was 1, maybe not even 1.5 in the tacky scale of things between 1 and 10. So this one wasn't tacky at all. This one is a bit more tacky, and especially after removing it. Before removing it, it was 2. Now, after removing it, it's about 4. If it bothers you, maybe you should buy the lighter shade. I don't know why they are supposed to be exactly the same. So this one wasn't tacky almost at all. And this one is a bit tacky. I don't know why. No idea. It's the same formula, just different shades. But even after removing it, after kissing my hand, I still have pigment on my lips. I don't know if it will be moisturizing, because again, all the moisturized parts I think are on my hand now. So let's just, You know what, let's add 007 on top of it and see. Now they are combined into one. Oh, this is a nice shade too. So putting the 003, kissing someone, and then adding the 007. Okay, I really like this combo. Ooh, I love it. This is the best shade. The best shade is a combination of them two. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this very short video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Join my family here on YouTube. We usually have a lot of fun. So if you're looking for makeup, fun, wear tests, me trying out stuff, then do subscribe and follow me. And write something in the comments section down below. Share this video with your friend if you think she or he or they will find it useful. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye. Gorgeous. And not tacky whatsoever.